get the snow blowing. I don't know if I'm getting it or not. It's blowing all over. Look at it. Plus down here a little bit, so I ain't getting cold. Look at that. Thunder Bay, I can't even breathe when I pop up over that hill. It takes my breath right away. Unbelievable. This is cool. So awesome. Look at it, guys. Tell me that ain't cool, eh? That's the coolest thing I've seen. Go up and do a glacier, folks. Running water and stuff. That's sweet. Right up inside an icicle. It's awesome. It's kind of like a shell. Reminds me of a shell, ladies and gentlemen. This is the biggest icicle I think I've taped so far. Look at how big it is. It's taller than me. 10 foot, 15 foot tall probably. That thing is awesome. Probably weighs hundreds of pounds. I like the way these ones shaped. Get up inside this big icicle. Look at that. Right in the middle of that icicle. That's sweet. What's up? Have to break it off, take it home, and refreeze it. That'd be sweet. Let's see what I'm looking at. John the Picker's World, Iceland, aka Alpena, Michigan. Pretty cool, and then it just goes right to flat. Frozen Thunder Bay River, ladies and gentlemen.